Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good morning, everybody. Wanted to let you in on what we're doing. So we are here in Anderson, South Carolina at BergVisions. They build Volkswagen buses. And I'm about to show you all kinds of crazy Volkswagen buses that are around here. Check this place out. Get you going here. So this is just their stuff laying around. Kind of cool. This is parts buses, things of that nature they got. Look at this guy over here. What is that, a 21, 23 window or whatever they were? There's one. Sitting right there. Which is just, I think these are amazing. This is really cool for me. But this is their shop here. And I thought I'd give you guys a little peek. He said I could do some videos, so kind of walk you around this a little bit. This is their paint area. If you ever need it, it's one of the Volkswagen trucks, which is pretty cool. Not bad. I'll show you guys inside here. And then I think what I'm going to do is set the camera up while we're actually loading here so you guys can see that process. But I'll show you the ones they're working on in here. And I apologize, I don't have a gimbal. I'm holding a tripod. But this is a bus they're working on. Looks like they did floors and whatnot, but super cool. You know. This is one bus here. Pretty slick. So if you're a bus guy, these guys you might want to talk to. Here's another one. It's on the metal fab side. Isn't that sharp? I love watching these things be saved, guys. I just absolutely love it. All of these deserve to be saved. Isn't this sharp? This is cool to me. The big VW. And then you got another bus here in the getting some body work done. You got all this. So you got all the buses here. This is their place. This is actually going, I think, that said to Charleston. This one, and it's gonna have the canvas over it, but they're gonna sell flowers out of it, and they got a flower shop or something. And it's going there. So this one's about to head out. You can see their logo there. BergVisions, Rat Rod, VW buses. But yeah, this is pretty slick. You got a little Beetle over here too. I like this. I think my wife would like this. Megan, this is absolutely something I think I could see you in. You always tell me you want a pickup truck. This might be it. But anyway, guys, this is their house, which is pretty cool. The big Volkswagen things all over. It's a cool place.